Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Facebook full screen. So if you're having right now that exact same problem, well actually me myself, I had it as well, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it quite quickly. So what we're going to do firstly is to actually close our Facebook app, and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this. And by the way, if you're using an Android phone, don't worry, just go into your settings on your Android as well, and then we're just going to scroll down, click on General, and then click on Storage. And if you're using an Android, once again, just find storage on your Android in your settings. It's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide after that as well, even if you're using an Android or iPhone. So we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds for this page to completely load in here, and then we're going to scroll down and find the Facebook app. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it quite quickly. So we're going to keep scrolling down in here and then click on Facebook. As you can see, I have Facebook right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app. And here we're just going to wait a couple of seconds until we get this blue button here again. If you get this blue button again, you are in the gold. So as you can see, it says loading here for my Facebook app, and that means that I'm currently right now going to get the absolute latest version for my Facebook. So right now it says loading. As you can see, it's going to probably take me a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how good your connection is. Of course, it's going to be pretty much the same for you, I guess. So we're just going to wait, and then we're going to go back into our Facebook app. And by the way, this once again, this fixed it for me. So I hope that this is going to fix it for you as well.